Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can add an adjustment layer to your video clips on CapCut, for example, to add various effects and to test various colors. So let's get started. Now in the first step, head over to CapCut or launch the CapCut application on your computer, start a new video project and add a video clip to your video project by clicking on import here. Next, place your video clip on your timeline here on your video track by drag and dropping it here. And now guys, adding an adjustment layer is super simple. Simply left click on your video clip here and choose Add Adjustment here from that top menu. And after that, click on Custom Adjustment here on that plus icon to add that layer to your video project. There you go. You can also adjust your adjustments layer position and length by simply dragging it here on your timeline like that. So let's say that adjustment layer here starts at the 5-second mark and lasts till the 8 or 9-second mark. And after that guys, to apply some effects, simply head over to this section here in the top right corner, adjustment, scroll down a bit and work with different color setups. For example, you can change the color temperature, the saturation, the exposure, contrast and shadow. Simply play around here as much as you like and check or assess if you like the effect or not here. For example, if I set the exposure to 100%, the given video clip would look like that here, but only in the section where you apply the given adjustment layer, of course, which would be in this case here from the 5th to the 8th second or to the 9th second. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.